एक घर में परिवार के एक सदस्य के लिए एक कानून हो, परिवार के दूसरे सदस्य के लिए दूसरा कानून हो, तो क्या वो घर चल पाएगा क्या? फिर ऐसी दोहरी व्यवस्था से देश कैसे चल पाएगा?
Well, he's talking about the Uniform Civil Code. Now, this has reignited the political debate about the contentious law. Uniform Civil Code is a proposal in India that is aimed at replacing personal laws with one common law irrespective of religion, caste, creed or gender. It governs matters such as marriage, divorce, inheritance and adoption. Currently, the personal laws of various communities are governed by the religious scriptures. Yes, the Uniform Civil Code comes under the Article 44 of the Constitution. It lays down that the state shall endeavour to secure a uniform civil code for the citizens throughout the territory of India. It is one of the directive principles of state policy. However, directive principles are guiding principles for government policies and are not enforceable by courts. The Supreme Court in various judgments has called for the implementation of the UCC. Now, if the UCC is introduced, existing laws such as the Hindu Marriage Act, the Hindu Succession Act, the Muslim Personal Law Application Act, and the Indian Succession Act will technically be dissolved. Now, the opposition has accused the Prime Minister's remarks were aimed at distracting attention from burning issues that the people are facing. Prime Minister Modi in his speech said that the opposition was trying to instigate Muslims on the UCC issue while not caring for their welfare.
भारत के मुसलमान भाई बहनों को भी ये समझना होगा कि कौन से राजनीतिक दल उन्हें भड़का करके उनका फायदा लेने के लिए उनको बर्बाद कर रहे हैं। आजकल हम देख रहे हैं कि यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड के नाम पर ऐसे लोगों को भड़काने का काम हो रहा है।
One must note that the BJP has been a big backer of the UCC and has included it in every manifesto since 1998. Now, with the Prime Minister publicly backing it, the matter will likely become the forefront of the party's campaign for the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. The All India Muslim Personal Law Board held an emergency meeting to oppose the proposed implementation of the common law. They came to the conclusion that the UCC is neither necessary nor beneficial to the country in any way.
हमारे इस मुल्क के लिए जिसमें मुख्तलिफ मजहब के मानने वाले, मुख्तलिफ कल्चर से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाले लोग हैं, उनके लिए यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड मौजूद नहीं है।
The Shiromani Akali Dal has also opposed the move. Now they will present their views before the Law Commission. The 22nd Law Commission has invited the views of the public and religious organizations on the UCC within 30 days. As many as 30 tribal organizations have also expressed fear that the Uniform Civil Code will dilute the tribal customary laws. Meanwhile, the AAP has said that it supports the UCC, but the code should be brought in with a consensus after consultations.
वाइडर कंसल्टेशन की जरूरत है, सबसे बातचीत करके कंसेंसस बिल्ड करनी चाहिए इस पर, ये हमारा मानना है।